Hello and welcome to LinguaNet Online Language School. This is our English channel. And today we will look at the English verbs to find and to found. As you guys already know, English verbs can be very confusing. Found is the past tense of find, right? Yes? No? If I'm asking, then something might be tricky here. Okay, no worries. Let's see what can be done. First, let's look at the verb to find. Its three forms are to find, found, and found. It is an irregular verb. For more information on three forms of English verbs, check out our English channel and website lingua-net.com. Back to the verb to find. To put it simply, the verb means to locate or to notice. Here's the verb in sentences. Sentence number 1. I find this lesson very helpful. Here we have the verb to find in a simple present tense. The meaning is clear. The speaker is of the opinion that the lesson is quite beneficial. Sentence number 2. He found his glasses. Here the verb to find is in the simple past tense, found being the second form of the verb to find. The sentence means that the speaker was able to locate their glasses. Good so far? Just to make things a bit complicated, let's add the verb to found. Its three forms are to found, founded, and founded. This verb is regular, and it means to start something or to establish something. Let's see how it can be used in a sentence. Sentence number 1. They founded a startup. The verb to found is used in the simple past tense here. And the sentence means that some people started a new company. Sentence number 2. She will found a new company next year. The verb to found is used in the simple future tense here. And the sentence means that the speaker will establish a new enterprise in the future. Not bad, don't you think? Easy, right? If you have any additional questions not covered in this video, you can always schedule a live session with us by going to the website www.lingua-net.com. I think now you're ready to try to figure out these two verbs on your own. Make sure to write answers in the commentaries. Here's your assignment. Choose the correct verb to find or to found in the following sentences. Make sure to use the correct tense for each situation. Take your time to complete the exercise. You can always pause this video and resume it when ready. Good luck. Situation number 1. Where's my key? Oh, I have finally. Situation number 2. This company interesting. Situation number 3. This company last year. You got this. To view this and other exercises and activities with answers, join our language club and improve your English. If you have any questions, would like to review what you have just learned or practice it, schedule a live lesson with us by going to www.lingua-net.com. Give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel to be the first one to know about the new content and our events. Thanks for watching.